Hi everyone, welcome to Createwithmanna. Today I'm sharing a simple but meaningful art piece, a canvas full of textured art created with love. I have my pens here, my stirring rod, my picker, I have my bowl, I have my thumb bond, I have my scissors, my carton and my paper. So with every texture, every curve, this heart carries a message. Love is bold, love is gentle, love makes space for healing. I made this with simple tools, but the real tool here is intention. Let your creativity flow from love. Let love lead. Let love lead. Okay everyone, as you can see, we are all done here. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun-filled creativity. Thank you for watching. Remember, you are creative, you are loved, and you are led by grace. Thank you.